Ready to transform your indoor grilling experience? Today, we're counting down the top 5 electric barbecue grills that deliver restaurant-quality results right in your kitchen. No smoke, no hassle, just perfectly grilled food every time. Let's get started. Number 5. Starting at number 5 is this versatile dual-sided breakfast maker and electric grill that's a true kitchen multitasker. The dual-sided heating cooks both sides simultaneously, cutting your time in half while delivering perfectly even results. Whether you're making toasted sandwiches, fluffy waffles, golden pancakes, or grilled favorites, this compact unit handles it all effortlessly. The non-stick surfaces mean cleanup is incredibly easy. Just wipe and you're done. Its lightweight portable design makes it perfect for small kitchens, dorm rooms, or taking on camping trips. Quick heat up gets you cooking in minutes, making busy mornings stress-free. The compact footprint saves valuable counter space without sacrificing cooking power. This is ideal for singles, couples, or anyone who wants fast, delicious meals without complicated equipment. For those interested in this versatile kitchen companion, check the description and comments for the link. Number 4. At number 4 is this indoor and outdoor electric grill, delivering the complete grilling experience anywhere. Operating at 1200 watts, it provides serious cooking power while remaining safe for indoor use with smokeless technology. The accessory package includes professional grilling tongs, stainless steel skewers, prep gloves, basting brush, and cleaning cloths. Everything needed right out of the box. The removable non-stick frying pan transforms from grill to griddle instantly for maximum cooking flexibility. Cleanup is effortless with dishwasher-safe parts. The portable design works perfectly on your balcony, patio, or kitchen counter. Ideal for apartment dwellers missing outdoor grilling or anyone wanting versatility without multiple appliances. For those ready to upgrade their grilling, check the description and comments for the link. Number 3. Landing at number 3 is this fully detachable kitchen grill redefining cooking convenience. Every component separates completely for thorough cleaning and compact storage. You get 3 cooking surfaces, a premium grill for sear marks, a large frying pan, and 3 hand trays keeping ingredients organized. Stainless steel construction ensures durability through years of use, while the 1500-watt element delivers consistent professional power. Adjustable temperature control gives precision, whether searing steaks or cooking delicate fish. Non-stick coating means food releases perfectly without sticking. Each piece separates for hand washing or dishwasher cleaning. Suitable for everything from breakfast eggs to dinner ribeyes. Multiple appliances in one space-saving design. For ultimate kitchen flexibility, check the description and comments for the link. Number 2. Securing number 2 is this 2-in-1 electric indoor grill and hot plate, bringing BBQ excitement safely indoors. The 1200-watt element delivers powerful, consistent heat, matching traditional outdoor grills. Advanced smokeless technology lets you grill indoors without triggering smoke alarms or creating lingering odors. Switch effortlessly between grilling for char marks and hot plate mode for pancakes or stir-fries. Precision temperature control delivers restaurant-quality results. The generous non-stick surface handles multiple servings simultaneously. Perfect for family dinners or entertaining. Dishwasher-safe components make cleanup quick. The package includes stainless steel skewers, heat-resistant gloves, basting brush, and cleaning cloths. Everything needed to start grilling immediately. For bringing authentic BBQ flavor indoors, check the description and comments for the link. Number 1. Claiming our top spot is the ultimate smokeless electric grill dominating indoor cooking. This 1700-watt powerhouse delivers exceptional performance, rivaling traditional outdoor barbecues from your kitchen. Premium stainless steel construction provides superior heat distribution for perfect results. Revolutionary smokeless technology minimizes smoke while maximizing authentic grilled flavor. Genuine char marks and BBQ taste without outdoor hassles. The removable non-stick plate releases food effortlessly and detaches for dishwasher cleaning instantly. Precise temperature control handles everything from delicate fish to thick steaks. Portable design offers freedom. Use in kitchen, balcony, tailgate parties, or camping. Perfect gift for food enthusiasts, newlyweds, or anyone appreciating quality equipment. Ideal for Christmas, housewarmings, or personal use. For investing in the best electric grill, check the description and comments for the link. Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Please like our videos, share them on social media, and leave your comments below. See you in the next video.